Hello, friends, and in this lecture, we are going to see variables but in depth, like something extra related to the variables. So, before this lecture, you have seen what are variables and how do we write them, what is type function, what is a print function, okay, how do you declare a variable, how do you assign a value to it, right? Now, my task or my ask is basically that what I want is I want a statement to be printed like this. Hello. Let's say we declare two variables first. Okay. So we have hello, my hello, my name is Meet Chetwa and I am 30 years old. That's it. Okay, so this is my ask. This is my ask. Now we can write this whole statement using the print function and then putting the whole thing in a string, right? But here, if you see, my name is down. This is a variable, and the age is also variable because this will be different for everyone, right? The names would be different, and the ages would be different, right? So let's just declare two variables. Age is equals to, and let's say I have 30 here, and name is another variable, and I store the name here. Let's say Meet Jetwa. Okay. Now, okay. So these are the variables which are stored in the code. Now what we have to do is we have to print these two without actually writing them. So to do that, what we do is we use format syntax. What do we use? We use format syntax. Now how to do that is write the same statement like this, print, okay, and now with double inverted commas, just copy and paste the whole statement. Okay, just copy and paste the whole statement here. Now wherever there are the variables assigned or wherever there are variables, just delete them and put curly brackets. Okay, put curly brackets. I'll come to it. Why do you need curly brackets? Okay, now we have curly brackets. Now after the statement, that is after the double inverted commas, put a dot and use format. See, it is already prompting me format and then name comma age, right? So that is done. So now what happens here is format, and then the first variable here is the name and the second variable is the age. So if I just try to run this, what happens here is it will print the whole statement. Hello, my name is Meet Jetwa and I am 30 years old. Okay, so that was what we were expecting. Hello, my name is Meet Jetwa and I'm 30 years old, right? That is what we are expecting here. Now the same thing can be done in another statement, in another way, which is I'll just copy this below, and now here what I'll do is instead of at the end I will put it at the start. So I'll use F syntax here, F. So I put that here. Now what happens here is if I after this F syntax, whatever is there inside these brackets, now see the colors of the bracket have changed now. So F and then I just put it here. Now inside this you have to declare the variables. So now just put name, and then here see it is asking me to put an age, so I put age here. Now there's no error, it's solved, it's resolved. Now I run it, and if I run it I get the output or the same output. I get it twice. Let's see, I got the output twice. Hello, my name is Michedwa, same output. So the same, it is doing the same thing but in two different ways. Like there are two different ways to print the variables inside, right? Now this was basically where the user is, like you have the values already there. Okay, so now this is variable syntax or printing the variables inside a print function, like getting the variables inside a print function. Now in the next lecture we will see how to take the input for age or for different variables from the user, right? So see you in the next class. Happy learning.